Now we're ready to start a run. The first run we recommend that you do is the GC FID test that we supply with the GC. So we're going to click run, and we're going to say first run. We're going to click on the GC FID method and press the play button. What that's going to do is start loading up all of the parameters for this method. If you didn't want to make this run, you can actually click cancel, but in the background you can see that the temperature is still increasing and the flow rates are set, so you don't have to redo that setup every single time. So we're going to rename this, click on that, we're going to hit start. Then we're going to come over here to our needle and our GC FID test mix. The needle length on this is 2 inches. This is the needle that is supplied with your GC. 2-inch needle is the recommended needle depth for the injection. So we're going to do what's called the sandwich method for manual injection. So I'm going to bring up about a microliter of air. I'm going to then bring up a microliter of my sample, remove it, and then bring up an additional microliter of air. That way I can insert my needle into my inlet liner without evaporating anything. Once the light turns green, you know that you're pretty close to having a proper injection temperature. And we're going to press play. The countdown begins. We're going to insert our needle and inject. So what you're going to see on the screen is the first peak that you're going to see is your ignition peak, making sure that the system is ignited. And we can watch on here as we go through. If you do want to zoom in on any peak, it is the middle scroll wheel. You can click anywhere and it creates a box and you can zoom in that area. And at any time, if you want to zoom back out, press the home key on the keyboard.